Right, I'm going to use up some leftovers to make myself a quick mushroom curry. So we're going to start with, it's just for myself, so it's a small quantity. I've got half a large onion chopped up there. We're just going to fry those off to start with, just to get them a little bit going. Okay, they seem starting to soften. So what we do next, I'm going to add some, it's around half a tin of chopped tomatoes. I'd actually like to have a bit more than this, even though it's only for myself, but this is all that I had left over. So I'll put those in. I'm going to turn the gas down now. That up. So next is the most important thing. I'm just using a medium curry powder. I mean, you can use whatever you like, korma, tikka masala, vindaloo, whatever sort of you like, but I like this one. It suits me. I use it for a lot, so I'm going to put quite a lot in there. I'm going to put some garlic granules. You can use fresh garlic as well if you have it. Some ground pepper. Some salt. And give it a mix. Like I say, I don't think this is actually enough tomatoes. So I've just cleaned and sliced some mushrooms. We'll put those in. So what you normally do at this stage, even if you use a tin of tomatoes, if it's a little bit dry, you actually just put some water in it. If I have some cream, I also like to add cream, just sort of half a small carton just to give it some texture. You can see this is pretty dry, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some more water because we need to simmer the mushrooms for, yeah, still need some more. We need to simmer the mushrooms for 10 minutes, but it's a really quick dinner. I just want something quite light, and I have one shop bought naan bread left over, so it's going to be pretty quick. So like I say, this is a little bit dry. I want it a little bit more saucy, so I'm going to put some ketchup in. And now I can put even a little bit more water in. And when it's simmered and the curry powder and the garlic's had time to get into the sauce, I'll give it a taste before I eat it. And so, okay, so that's fine for me. So I'm going to push all the mushrooms under the sauce, scrape it down. Put the lid on and just let it simmer for 10 minutes. Oh, it's been simmering for about 5 minutes, so let's see if the mushrooms are cooked. I don't want them overcooked. I want a bit of texture there. Yeah, that's just perfect, and the curry sauce is absolutely brilliant. So, time for dinner. I'm looking forward to my mushroom curry. I'm going to sprinkle a few spring onions on it. And luckily I had some fresh coriander, so I'm going to put that on as well. The naan bread was reaching the end of its life. I tried to spray a little bit of water on it, but it's still quite crusty. But the good news is I had 2 of my bhajis left in the fridge, and these are not onion bhajis, these are my Brussels sprout bhajis. The recipe is in the description below. So first of all, I'm going to try these to see how they go. I'm going to eat this with a spoon because it's just mushrooms. There's nothing wants cutting up in it. Let's see how it tastes with the bhaji. That's really nice. I mean, the bhajis are cold. I didn't warm them up, but with the spicy curry, they're okay. Let's now try it with the crusty naan bread. Try a bit of mushroom on it. That's absolutely delicious. It's just right for me. Like I said, if I'd have had some cream, I'd have put a spot of cream in it just to make it a little bit more creamy. But you don't have to do that. And of course, if you had some chicken or something, you could fry some chicken or pork and put that in it as well. It's just that I just had the mushrooms. And it's, you know, really, it just took, I don't know, 10 minutes to make. So, yeah, I'm going to get stuck in. That is bloody good.